Hello! Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa akin channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang 6-6 love reading. So, ibig sabihin nun, ay bubunot ako ng 6 cards from this deck. That would be the main energy for the energy check-in for this reading, at 6 cards from this deck that would be the supporting details or supporting energies ng main reading. Anyway, ayan, para ito sa lahat ng Leo. Okay. So, sige, simulan na natin. Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Leo na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated ang inyong love and support. Please continue to do so by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading. And, ayan. Sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po by liking this video and by subscribing to my channel para mag-grow ang channel ko at marami pa akong magawang love reading para sa inyo at mga bagong pakulo din. Makagawa ka ng mga bagong pakulo at may improve ko tong setup ko. But for now, this will do. Okay? Sige, simulan na natin. I'll get the 6th card as well. Kasi sa numerology, ang 6 ay the nurturing energy. Yan, nurturing number siya. So, perfect then for a love reading to get that kind of nurturing love as well. Let's manifest it. Okay. For first card, 3 of Swords. Page of Pentacles. Nine of Wands. Two of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. And last, Eight of Swords. Oops. And for the supporting cards, let's see. Habang binabalasa ko to, I would like to remind everyone that this is a collective reading, so it may or may not resonate sa inyo. Kung hindi mag-resonate, ibig sabihin hindi ko nasagap ang energy ninyo ngayon. Kaya huwag pilitin, abangan nyo na lang po yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay. Or, panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate din sa inyo dahil ang tarot and oracle love reading naman talaga ay timeless. Better yet, book a private and personal reading dahil yon ay mas naka-align or naka-tune in sa energy ninyo. So, mas okay yun. Anyway, sige. Bunot-bunot. First card, Ace of Coins. Knight of Cups. The Magician. Five of Coins. Page of Coins. And Ace of Wands. So you've got 3 aces. And Yep. So you might be dealing with a Gemini or Virgo, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pero check nyo rin yung person ninyo, yung placement nila, if it's their moon, Venus, and rising placements then. But any sign would do naman talaga. Alright, so the main energy, main cards would be the Three of Swords, Page of Pentacles, okay, and Nine of Wands, Two of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords. So, I can sense here na merong heartbreak na nangyari between you and your person. And itong heartbreak na to is something na related sa loyalty ng person ninyo. With the Page of Pentacles here. And I can sense here with the Three of Swords and Page of Pentacles side by side, ano siya, nagkaroon ng cheating incident. Okay? And with the Nine of Wands here, na because of that, medyo naging guarded kayo when it comes to your emotion towards or feelings or yung affection nyo towards your person. So medyo nawala siya. Well, syempre nasaktan kayo, normal lang naman yun after being manipulated and cheated by your person. Of course, parang lesson learned yun sa inyo and mas naging cautious na kayo when it comes to this person. Na parang kahit naging okay na yung lahat, nagkapatawaran, kasi nakita ko naman dito with the Two of Cups, nagkapatawaran naman, nagkaroon ng reconnection between the two of you after the incident, okay, and nagkaroon din ng parang chance to start another chapter or parang leave the past behind and magsimula ulit kayong dalawa. However kasi, with the Eight of Swords, you felt na parang na-stuck na kayo dun sa impression or yung kung merong first impression last, parang yung hindi naman siya last impression. Well, that's the latest, diba? Latest impression lasts. Parang gano'n ang nangyari. Dahil nga, dahil nasaktan kayo, medyo naging significant siya or yun nga, yung experience na yun, tumatak talaga siya sa puso't isipan nyo. Kaya guarded kayo, cautious kayo, and medyo hirap na rin kayo to really trust this person. So, nandun kayo medyo may stuck energy with the Eight of Swords here na parang na-trap na kayo sa relationship, but not necessarily naman na parang wala na kayong freedom, but more on na-trap din kayo dun sa idea or na-stuck kayo dun sa idea na yung person ninyo would do the same thing again, na sasaktan ulit kayo, ganyan. So, medyo parang nawala yung tiwala towards this person. Okay? Pero, with the supporting energy, your person wants to redeem himself or herself. Okay? Again, with actually, 2 aces lang pala siya kasi same lang si Ace of Pentacles saka si Ace of Coins. Pero as I mentioned earlier, so nag-double confirm lang siya na gusto rin ng person niya ng fresh start. Medyo nagkaroon siya ng he or she knows yung mga pagkakamali niya and yung nagawa niya sa inyo, yung heart ache na naidulot niya sa inyo, emotional pain. Okay? And with the Knight of Cups, parang unexpected gesture siyang gagawin to try to redeem himself. And especially with the magician card here, it's taking the initiative, taking action, and making the first move towards you naman. Parang, ikaw, medyo decided ka na bahala ka. I mean, I won't, hindi ka na yung laging mag-effort na dahil nga nasaktan ka. Pero itong person na to, may mga realization siya, and with the magician, he or she has this desire to really win you back, and yun, magiging proactive siya. He or she will make the first move. Although, syempre, there's this sadness here. Hindi na talaga mababalik yung dating trust. Parang with the 5 of coins here, what I see here is that nawala na talaga yung trust sa'yo, pero tatry niyang i-win it back, pero hindi na ganun kadali. Parang he or she has to earn it again. Kaya parang magkakaroon na with the 5 of coins here, and that trust, parang kailan niya magsimula ulit from the first level, diba? Parang kung wari before you trusted him or her that much, after the incident of manipulation and cheating and being disloyal to you, parang yun, back to zero siya when it comes to earning your trust. Okay? And but I can see here talaga again, as well with the Ace of Wands, gusto niya ng new beginning, and he or she wants to reignite yung passion or yung affection na meron, na nakukuha niya before from you. So, yun yung mga realization niya. Nakita ko dito na parang he or she niregret naman din niya yung mga actions niya. However, it's too late. Nangyari na yun. Diba? Nawalan na, parang nasira na yung tiwala mo sa kanya. So, kailangan niya ulit i-prove yung sarili niya. But it will take time. Okay? So, ayun. I'm just interpreting the card. So, again, use it as a guidance only. Diba? Don't take it as your personal and ultimate truth. Especially, this is a general and collective reading. Use it as a guidance. Use it with discernment. Huwag laging nagre-rely sa tarot and oracle reading. But I hope it helps sa mga actions na gagawin ninyo. Again, sa inyong kamay pa rin naman ang inyong kapalaran, and you always have a free will to do what you want to do. Okay, so kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat!